Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 9.1 from NCERT textbook of class 10 math. Some applications of trigonometry. Okay, and I have already solved from question number 1 to question number 6 in my last video. Okay, so in this video, I am going to solve on question number 7. So let's begin. In this question, it has been said that from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Okay, then find the height of the tower. So dear children, to find the height of a tower which is placed on a 20-meter high building, so first draw a simple diagram to represent the problem. So suppose this is the ground and here a 20-meter high building. Okay, this is 20-meter high building and this is the tower placed on the top. Okay, and said that from a point on the ground, suppose this is a point on the ground, the angle of elevation on the top and bottom. Okay, the angle of elevation on the top and bottom 45 and 60. Okay, so this is given 45 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay, so naming, this is the point A, B, C and D, and let height of the tower be h meter, then total height h plus 20 from the ground to top of the tower is 20 plus h meter. Okay, so this is the simple diagram which represent the whole problems. Okay, so here BC is the building which is 20 meter and CD is the transmission tower which is placed on the top. Okay, which height is h meter, let us suppose, and from the point A on the ground, the angle of elevation top of the tower is 60 degree and bottom of the tower 45 degree. Okay, so write in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, we choose the sides which include BC and AB. So this means we choose tan trigonometric ratio. Okay, tan. So write tan 45 degree equal to tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC. So we have perpendicular BC and hypotenuse AP. So we know tan 45 is 1 and BC 20 and AB is nothing. So here AB equal to, okay, AB equal to 20. Okay, the value of AB is 20. Okay, now determine the height of the transmission tower. So we choose triangle ABD. Okay, triangle ABD. So in right triangle ABD, again choose the same trigonometric ratio means tan. So tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is BC, not BC, BD. BD upon AB, tan 60 is tan 60 okay, so tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equal to BD. BD is H plus 20 upon, and AB find out here 20 meter. Okay, now cross multiply, so we will get H plus 20 equal to 20 root 3, and now to find height, so we shift 20 on right side, so it will be root 3 20. Now taking 20 common, so above becomes 20, inside the bracket root 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is the required height of the transmission tower. So write the height of the height of the tower is tower is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, this is required answer of the question number 7. Okay, okay children, now move to the next problem, means question number 8. Okay, so in this question it has been given a statue is 1 meter 1.5 meter tall. Question number 8, a statue is 1.6 meter tall, stand on a top of a pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. Okay, so statue is 1.5 meter tall, stand on a top of a pedestal. So this is the ground and this is the pedestal. Here is the statue. Length is 1.5, height is 1.6. okay, 1.6 meter. This is 1.6 meter tall. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a statue is 60. Okay, top of the statue, from the point on the ground, the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal 45. This is the top of the pedestal, which is 45. Okay, this angle is 45 and this angle is 60 degree. Okay, then we have to ask, find the height of pedestal. Clear? So let the height of pedestal is h. So naming A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So here once again see the picture of this question. BC is the pedestal. Okay, this is pedestal. Okay, BC is pedestal, and CD is the statue whose height is 1.6 meter. The angle of elevation from the ground, top of the statue is 45 and top of the pedestal is 45. Okay, then we need to find the height of the pedestal. So total height become from B to D is h plus 1.6 meter. Clear? Now choose trigonometric ratio, means tan trigonometric ratio, because we include BC and AB. Clear? So write in right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC. Okay, in right triangle ABC, tan 45 degree equal to BC upon AB. So this is 1 and BC is h upon AB. This implies AB equal to h. Okay, AB equal to h. Again choose right angle triangle ABD. So in right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, tan 60 degree equal to BD upon AB. Okay, tan 60 equal to BD upon AB. So value of tan 60 is √3. So √3 upon BD, h plus 1.6 upon AB, and find h. Now simplify. So √3 h equal to h plus 1.6. Okay, now bring h this side. So this become √3 minus 1, and here h is common, equal to 1.6, and h equal to 1.6 upon √3 minus 1. Now rationalize. So this become 1.6 under √3 plus 1 upon under √3 minus 1 into under √3 plus 1, which is equal to 1.6 under √3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6 under √3 plus 1 upon 2. This is 0.8. Okay, under √3 plus 1. So height of the pedestal is 0.8 in bracket under √3 plus 1. Okay, This is required height of the pit stop.